everyone, welcome back to another session of Geography. Dear students, in the previous class we learned about Geography 4th chapter, Indian soils. In that we learned about meaning of soil, importance of soil and types of soils. So in the previous class we already learned 4 types of soil: alluvial soils, ore, black soil, red soil and laterite soil. In this class we are going to learn another interesting topic, that is desert soil and mountain soil. Dear student, let's start our class with the 5th type of soil, that is desert soil. Where we can see desert soil, it will come to our mind, of course, where we can see in the northwestern part of India. So, desert soil is not suitable for the cultivation. If it is possible for cultivation, we can start where irrigation facilities available in India. So, desert soil we can see northwestern part of India. The states are Rajasthan, some part Haryana, some part Punjab and some part Gujarat. Here desert soil is a vast area. It's covered an area about 1.42 lakh square kilometer in India. So this is about desert soil. Dear student, last but not the least, the last type of a soil, that is mountain soil. Mountain soil, these soils are mainly found in the slope of a mountain and as well as the hill stations covered by forest. Where we can see mountain soil? Of course, we can see in the north states, it means North India. So, mountain soil is not suitable for the cultivation, but it's suitable for the plantation crops. The plantation crops are tea and coffee. So, here the mountain soil we can see in the North India. The states are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram. In South India we can see in the Sahyadri hills, it means Western Ghats. In Karnataka we can see Malnad region. It's a vast area, it's covered an area 2.85 lakh square kilometer in India. So this is about mountain soil. So dear student, last but not the least from this lesson, that is soil erosion. What is the meaning of soil erosion? It means the soil refers to the removal top of the soil by natural agents is called soil erosion. The natural agents, for example, river, sea waves and winds. So this is about the meaning of soil erosion. But soil erosion is one of the major problems nowadays India is facing. Next topic, causes of soil erosion. What are the causes of soil erosion? The causes are deforestation, shifting cultivation, overgrazing. Overgrazing means in Kannada atiyada ಮೇಯಿಸುವಿಕೆ, and unscientific methods of cultivation, and last causes, that is use of the top soil for making bricks and as well as for making tiles. So this is about causes of soil erosion. Next topic, effects of soil erosion. What are the effects of soil erosion? The important effects are, first one, loss of soil fertility. Its effects on agriculture production, and groundwater level is lowered. There is a decrease in soil moisture. It leads silting and floods and change of the course of a river, and vegetation's cover dries up, and main important effect, its effect on the nation economy. So this is about effects of soil erosion. So dear students, the last but not the least from this lesson, that is the conservation of soil and measures of conserving soil. What is the meaning of conservation of soil? It means the conservation of soil the protection of the soil from the erosion and the preservation of the fertility of the soil is called conservation of soil. Here some measures of conserving soil. The measures are afforestation. Afforestation is nothing but a planting more trees, and reforestation, controlled overgrazing, next construction of check dams, contour farming and gilly control. These are the measures of conserving soil. So dear students, today we completed one more lesson from geography. So thank you and have a great day.